In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment and mention someone in Google Sheets. First, make sure you're looking at the exact cell you want to discuss. Click once to select it so it's clearly highlighted. This matters because your comment will be attached to that specific cell, helping others understand precisely what your message refers to. Next, open the options for that cell by right-clicking. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works as well. A small menu will appear right beside your cursor. From that menu, choose Comment. This opens a comment box anchored to the cell you selected. Comments are great for asking questions, flagging issues, or suggesting changes without editing the cell's value itself. In the comment box, type your message. Be clear and specific so teammates can act quickly. For example, you might reference the row, the purpose of the data, or the change you're proposing. Keep it concise but informative. A short, actionable sentence, like, "Please verify the sum for this column before we finalize," often works best. If you want to bring someone directly into the conversation, mention them so they're notified. Type the @ symbol, then their email address or their name if they're part of the same Google workspace. As you begin typing, you'll see suggestions appear based on your contacts and directory. Click the correct person in the suggestions to attach the mention to your comment. You can mention more than one person if needed. Just add each mention within the same comment. Once the mention is added, Google Sheets will automatically send that person an email notification that includes your comment and a link back to the sheet. This is helpful when you need timely input or approval because it brings the right people straight to the relevant cell. When your message looks good, click Comment to save and post it. Your comment will now be visible to collaborators with access to the sheet, and the cell will show a small marker indicating a discussion is attached. If someone replies, it will appear in the same thread, keeping the conversation organized and easy to follow. That's it. Select the cell, right-click to open the menu, choose Comment, write a clear note, mention the right person with the @ symbol, select them from the suggestions, and click Comment to post. Use this workflow whenever you want targeted collaboration tied directly to your data.